Hi, my name is Tin and welcome to the Clouds Media YouTube channel. Finally, we started our trip and we are in Virovitica. We are on halfway to Ilok, and I hope we're gonna meet Nikola and the others in the right time. So before that, let me introduce you my colleague and friend.
Hi, my name is Dinko.
And he's gonna feel some stuff behind the scenes. He's gonna help us with everything because he's master of disaster. We're gonna arrive soon in Ilok to start filming some B-roll, some B-shots, some behind the scenes, so you can see our process, our starting points. We're gonna meet Nikola and the others in Ilok, eat something, maybe swim in Dunav, who knows, we'll see. So see you soon. We finally reached Ilok, and only I can say is this place is amazing, it's beautiful. This hotel Dunav, it's only 5 meters from the river Dunav, and the words, I don't have words to explain how beautiful is at this time because it's sunset right now, and those colors, the river, the nature, it's all full of life and it's all full of beautiful smells and everything. So please let me just show you where we are and how beautiful this place is. Yeah, let me show you. Let me introduce you the main characters of the Croatian long distance trail. Let me introduce you Nikola, Branko and Matt. And Nikola will say something about this trail. So guys.
My name is Nikola. I'm coming from Zagreb, Croatia, and in 2016 I hiked Pacific Crest Trail. That experience completely changed my life in a good way. So when I came back, I got an idea to make something similar in Croatia, to make a Croatian long distance trail. So with my friends we made this project alive. So 1 year after preparations were done, we did like we're starting to hike on Croatian long distance trail with my friend Matt and my friend Branko. 14,000 miles of pure awesomeness through Croatia, and I can't wait to see what the trail is will provide to us and what the trail is hitting at us. So let's go.
Hello, my name is Matt. I'm from the United States, and I met Nikola on the Pacific Crest Trail, and he invited me to come and hike through Croatia, and what better way to see a country, and it is a beautiful country what I've seen, so I can't wait to experience Croatian on foot.
Ja sam Branko Maretić Dečina, umirovljeni sam veteran specijalne jedinice policije pošto sam u mirovini imam dosta vremena da obilazim hrvatske planine. Tako sam prošle godine prošao pilot projekt, je to bio Croatia Long Distance Traila od Iloka do Gorskog Kotara u dužini od prilike 900 km.